everyone, in this video I am going to tell you how to prepare the necklace formation. Okay, so for that you will be needing your cutter. Okay, and this is our stocking wire, because we have to prepare our base, so that's why we will be needing our golden. You can make with the silver also, but and one more thing I want to tell you, this is thick one. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you, you can take the same. Okay, and see the circle of your it depends on you how much big you want. Okay, so I am okay with this. Okay, so you have to you have to cut both the circle in the same size, like okay. So I have cut a piece. We need two pieces on the same. Okay, so for the first one, what we have to do, so we will be needing our two. Okay, and now we have the two over here, and you can just use your piler to it's a thick wire, so that's why maybe you will face little bit difficulty, but it's okay. Okay, so our don't worry about this, because this is not going to show. Okay, and it's going to be wrapped easily. Okay, so our this one is ready. Okay, now for one circle is done. Now we will be needing our next wire. For that what you have to do, see, you will be needing this kind of danglers. Okay, and okay, so I am telling you how to prepare danglers. Okay, for that you will be needing your eye pin. Okay, and your hoop bit. Okay, we already have hoop in this. Okay, and you will be needing few and you will be needing few golden beads. Okay, and after that what I will do, I will just insert all the beads. Okay, see, you have to, so the length of the eye pin, it depends on you how much danglers you want. Okay, so we have insert only 3 4 5 6. Okay, 3 4 5 6. Okay, now this one is done. What I will do, I will just use my piler to make the loop. Okay, and how to insert it, you have to open eye pin from the, okay, and just insert it. See, our danglers are ready. Okay, and after that you have to just insert a jump ring. Okay, and you can open it. Close it. So we will be needing our 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so we will be needing our 6 dangler from the same technique. Okay, so now we came on our second circle. Okay, and how to prepare the loops and all, I am going to tell you. For that, firstly we will be needing our beads. Okay, golden beads which we have used in our this dangler. Okay, and a few small and few are big. Okay, so it's totally depends on you how much you want it. Okay, see, your wire, it's coming like this, it will come like this. Okay, and here we are going to put our flower. So what we are going to do, okay, what we are going to do, we have to wrap over here our beads. Okay, so for that, what you will do, we will insert some danglers here, so it will come under the flower. Okay, but firstly we have to insert all the beads over here. देखना, so you have to pair like this. Okay, so I'll back once I'll complete with all the beads. Okay, so now I'm back. I have wrapped I have insert few beads over here, and after that what I will do, I will just fill this here. Okay, our danglers. So for that, what I will be doing, I am just, but before inserting you have to place a bead. Okay, see, and after that like this. Okay, and after that again you have to insert a bead. Okay, because our danglers would be not mixed. Sorry, I have inserted this. think. Yes, I have. Okay, and then we have to insert our this one also. Okay, so our these kind of things are ready. Okay, now we can just insert the few bits over here. I think 4 are enough. Okay, so we have to insert our beads here also, and after that I'll back once I'll insert all the beads over here. Okay, so everyone, I have just inserted a few beads over here. Okay, and now what I will doing, I'm just closing it. Okay, with our piler. Okay, see, our this one is also ready. So our base is going to be ready. Okay, now I'll tell you what to do. For that, you will be needing your thin wire. Okay, thin stocking wire. This is also very thin wire. So what you can do, you can just cut a few amount of silver wire, and after that you will just wrap it. Okay, if you don't have, then you can go with simple thread also, or any kind of wire which is movable, you can make it. And our this is done. Okay, so as you can see, our base is almost ready. Okay,